Hello. So recently, been starting to mess with disc container locks a little more. So I've got this one. This was actually the first one I got. It's just a cheap Chinese disc container lock. They really want to make sure you have enough keys for it and you know where they came from. So now I'm gonna see if we can pick this open with the Sparrow's disc detainer lock, which is currently which is currently the only disc detainer pick I have. All right, so let's see if we can get this open. So if I can, I like to start at the end. So that disc feels happy where it is. The second one from the end, got to click out of that, so we'll leave it where it is. Okay, third from the end, didn't seem to want to turn or click, so put it back to the start, and seems like it actually fell back into a gate. Fourth from the end, might have been a click. Let's just move it back and see. Oh, yep, definitely felt like a click. So now fifth from the end. Can't get to it. Now I happen to know on this lock that I really need a spacer, so I'm gonna pull the pick out a little bit just to access that first disc. And I'll pick it. Oh. Okay. So let's see, did I get the very first one? There we go. I think we got it open. Yep, we got it open. Starting to think I messed something up there. So yeah, this detainer lock's pretty fun. This one's a cheap, pretty easy one to pick. But hoping to get into some more difficult locks soon.